Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is subtracting polynomials and setting up subtraction. To understand the concept, let's look at some questions. The first one says simplify, subtract the second polynomial from the first. Before we go on to solve our question, let's understand how to set up subtraction. For example, I'm given subtract A from B. Now how do we do it? We know that we are subtracting, so we write the subtraction sign in between. Now it says A from B. Whatever quantity appears first is written after the subtraction sign, and whatever quantity appears after, that is the word from, would appear before the subtraction sign. Now using this concept, we'll be solving our questions. It says subtract the second polynomial from the first. So that means the first polynomial will come before, that is x minus 4, subtract, and the second polynomial will come afterward, that is negative x squared plus 5x minus 2. Now our question is set. Now we'll carry on the simplification. So x minus 4 will come as it is. Now negative times a negative is a positive x squared. Negative times a positive is a negative 5x, and negative times a negative is a positive 2. So we'll combine the like terms. So no term matching to x square would come first. Then we have a positive x minus 5x. These two are like terms, and negative 4 plus 2 are the remaining like terms. So x squared, x minus 5 is the negative 4x, negative 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So x squared minus 4x minus 2 is the correct answer and can be seen in option D. For better understanding, let's try out another question. Subtract the first polynomial from the second. So now we put the subtraction sign in the center first. The first polynomial, that is 2x minus 1, will appear after the subtraction sign, and from the second means the second polynomial will appear first, that is negative 3x squared plus 3x plus 2, and we use the parentheses. Now we'll simplify. Negative 3x squared plus 3x plus 2 as it is without the parentheses. Now negative times positive is a negative 2x, and negative times negative is a positive 1. So now we'll combine the like terms. First for 3x squared, there is no other x squared term, so as it is, plus 3x and minus 2x are like terms, we combine them, and then the remaining are 2 and 1, which are like, 2 plus 1. So we'll further simplify this. Negative 3x squared plus 3x minus 2x is plus 1x. 2 plus 1 is 3. Or finally we can write it down, negative 3x squared plus x plus 3. This is the final answer and can be seen in option B. Let's try out the next one. I believe it's getting easier now. Subtract the first polynomial from the second. So the subtraction sign in the middle, from the second. So the second polynomial will come here, that is negative x squared minus 4x plus 2 in parentheses, and minus the first, that is negative 4x squared plus 2x. So the first polynomial will appear as it is without any changes. Now we have the negative sign here. Negative times negative is a positive 4x squared. Negative times a positive is a negative 2x. So now we'll combine the like terms. Negative x squared plus 4x squared here, because these are two like terms. Then negative 4x with negative 2x, and then finally only number 2 is left with alone. Now negative x squared plus 4x squared is a 3x squared, Negative 4x minus 2 is negative 6x plus 2 as it is. This is the final answer and can be seen in option D. I hope subtracting polynomials and setting up subtraction is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.